So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's session we will learn two-layer security system project by using RFID module and fingerprint sensor. So you can see on the screen we have the RFID module, we have the fingerprint sensor, then we have the Arduino, then I2C display, then buzzer and then DC motor. Before start the next part, I would like to tell you what will be the flow of this project. So once you give the power supply to the Arduino, then on the LCD it will show the fingerprint sensor found or not found. If there is valid connection, then it will show the fingerprint sensor found. If there is valid connection for the RFID module, then it will show the RFID module found. Or if there is any error between RFID module and fingerprint sensor, then project will not work. Here you will get the warning. After that, if both are okay, then it will display the project name on the LCD. Then after that it will ask, please scan your RFID card. So once the user scan his RFID card, like this card or like this card, once he scan his RFID card, then if the card detail available in the Arduino, then buzzer will turn on one time. If the card details not available in the database in the Arduino, then buzzer will turn on 3 times, and on the LCD it will show the unauthorized access. Then after that, if the authorized access, that is the if the valid user scan his card, then it will ask, it will show the person name on the LCD and then ask the scan your finger. And if the valid user scan his valid finger, then buzzer will turn on one time and gate will be open and gate will be closed. If the valid user scan his wrong finger, then buzzer will turn on 3 times and on the LCD it will show no finger found or invalid finger. All the information you will get on the LCD. So this is the complete flow of this project. Now we will see the practical demonstration of this project. Before start the next part, I would like to tell you the code of this project is free of cost. You can download the code from my website, and hardware connection I will explain in this video. So please watch this complete video. Definitely you can design and develop this project by yourself. Free of cost project, only point is you should follow each and every step that I will tell you. Okay. First we will see the practical demonstration, then we will see the hardware connection, and then we will see the program part of this project. So let's start the practical demonstration. Okay, now let's see the practical demonstration of this project. So you can see I have removed the power supply from the Arduino. The power supply given from this USB, and this USB cable connected to laptop directly. One side of USB cable is connected to the Arduino. So once I give the power supply, please focus on the LCD so that you can see the warning or any message from the LCD. So I am giving the power supply to the Arduino. First message, fingerprint sensor found, that means valid connection, and then project name, that is the valid connection. That means there is no issue in the fingerprint sensor, there is no issue in the RFID module. Then it is asking, please scan your RFID card. Now I have the 4 card with me. You can see this is 2 card with me, and again this 2 card with me. So this 2 card is valid card and this 2 card is invalid card. Okay, so now let's focus on the valid card first. So let's scan the first card. You can see, please scan your card, RFID card. It is the message display on the LCD. So I am scanning the RFID card. You can see buzzer one time, welcome Shubham, please scan your finger. Now this finger I have stored in this finger, thumb finger I store into this database. So I will scan my finger. You can see welcome, door open, get close, and only one time buzzer turn on and buzzer turn off. Okay, now I will scan the invalid card. Okay, so let's scan again the card. unauthorized person, 3 times buzzer turn on. You can see again I will show unauthorized person, invalid card. Okay, now again I will scan the another card. Valid person, welcome Rahul, place your finger. Now this is the finger that is stored for the another person. You can see welcome, door open, door close. Okay, now let's assume that again valid person come, welcome Rahul, please scan your finger. Now I will scan this finger which is not stored into database. Invalid finger, 3 times door, 3 times buzzer turn on. You can see again I will scan my finger. Invalid finger access. Okay, now I will give valid finger again. Okay, welcome, door open, door close. I hope you understand the practical demonstration of this project. For practical demonstration I have used this 2 card. How to add extra card that I will explain during the program explanation. Okay, so please watch this complete video. Okay, now let's start with the hardware connection. So first we should have the breadboard. In the breadboard you can see there are 4 sections. We will use only this section. From this section we will use 2 row, this top row and then this one bottom row. So this top row we will use as a common VCC, this bottom row we will use as a common ground. So whenever I need the VCC I will take from this line, whenever I need the ground we will take from this line. Okay, then after that we should have the Arduino Uno. You should purchase this type of Arduino Uno, do not purchase the assembly type Arduino Uno. Okay, so this is the original one, you can purchase from the Amazon, or if you want the this Arduino Uno, then please contact me. We have our team, we will supply the hardware to you. Okay, so just place this Arduino here. Now on the Arduino there is you can see there are different types of pin number available. So first take the common VCC and common ground pin. So first take the ground pin from the Arduino. So here is the ground pin, you can easily see ground pin, and we will use this row as a common ground pin. Okay, bottom row. Then let's take the common VCC. So before take the common VCC, common ground, it is very important to test this wire, male to male and male to female wire. So how to test this wire I will tell you. You should have the connectivity device, or you can use the DMM, digital multimeter, which check the connectivity of the wire. So each and every wire you should check whether it is connected properly internally or not. So let's connect this 2 type of pin. You can see my LED is turning on. This is the connectivity wire, connectivity check sensor. So this is my connectivity check device which check the connectivity of the wire. So you should check the connectivity of each and every wire before use. You can purchase this device. This is just 60 or 50 rupee device. You can purchase from the local hardware store. Okay, just ask them for the connectivity tester. Okay, why it is important? Because whenever there is a damage inside this wire, then your project will not work, and then you will start messaging me the project is not working because there is a issue in the wire. Okay, so check the connectivity first. Then first you connect the ground pin. So this is the ground pin from the Arduino. Connect to the common ground pin, that is the below one row. This is a common ground pin. Then above one row which use as a common VCC. Okay, so VCC means 5 volt supply. So take here from the 5 volt. So we have 2 pins right now. One is ground, one is VCC. So whenever I need the ground, I will take from the bottom row. This one row I will take from this one, and whenever I need the 5 volt, I will take from the top row. Okay, so this is very basic connection that we did. Then after that we should connect the RFID module. So you can see this is my RFID module. You should purchase this type of RFID module. Then each and every RFID module having the pin number, pin information available beside each and every pin. So just place this RFID module here. Then after that just follow my instruction and connect each and every pin to the Arduino. Okay, now let's connect the RFID module with the Arduino. So first pin is SDA pin from the RFID module. So this is my SDA pin. You can see this is the first one pin. This first SDA pin should be connected to 10 number pin of Arduino, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so SDA pin should be connected to 10 number pin of Arduino. Then SCK pin from the RFID module. SCK pin should be connected to 13 number pin of Arduino, 11, 12, 13. Then after that MOSO pin, master out slave in pin, that should be connected to 11 number pin of Arduino. Then after that MISO pin, master in slave out. Okay, master in slave out should be connected to 12 number pin of Arduino. Then after that next pin is ground pin. So this is the ground pin. So ground pin should be connected to common ground here. Do not take the gap, just connect to near to the ground pin. So this is our common ground pin. I will connect to common ground row. Then after that RST pin should be connected to 9 number pin of Arduino. Okay, then after that 3.3 voltage pin. So this is my 3.3 voltage pin from the RFID module. This should be connected to 3.3 voltage pin of Arduino, not to the common VCC, 3.3 voltage pin of Arduino. Okay, so I hope you understand the connection between RFID module and Arduino. Okay, now let's connect the I2C display with the Arduino. So you can see on the I2C display there are 4 pins we use. First is ground, then VCC, then SD and SCL. Okay, so first place the I2C display here. Now one by one connect the pin. So first take the ground pin from the I2C display. So this is my ground pin from the I2C display. You can easily identify the pin name, pin number here. Okay, and one point is this is the blue spot. This blue spot need to be this is a blue pot potentiometer of the I2C display. That should be adjust the brightness, or that should be controlled to adjust the brightness of this I2C display. So if you don't see your message on the I2C display, then just take the screwdriver and just rotate it clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, then you will get the message on the I2C display. Okay, so this is very important. So first point is first connect the ground pin. So we already have the common ground, common VCC pin here. So you can see this one is our ground and above one is VCC. So whenever I need the ground, I will take from the here. So first I connect the common ground to the I2C display, from the I2C display to our common ground pin. So this is the ground pin and this is the my I2C display ground pin, that is connected. Then VCC pin, that should be connected to our upper row, that is our VCC, that is the 5 volt supply which is coming from the Arduino. So just connect that one here. Okay, so we have connected the ground, we have connected the common VCC. So ground is connected to common ground, VCC connected to common VCC. Okay, then after that we have the SCL pin. So SCL pin from the I2C display should be connected to last number pin of Arduino. So you can see, I will zoom in again. So this is the last pin of Arduino. There is no pin name available on this pin. So just connect the SCL pin to the last pin of Arduino. Okay, so SCL should be connected to last number pin of Arduino. Okay, so I have connected the SCL pin to the last pin of Arduino, and then after that the SDA pin. So SDA pin from the I2C display connected to second last pin of Arduino. And if you want detailed understanding of this I2C display with the Arduino, I already recorded the separate video. Please watch that video to get the detailed understanding of the I2C display. Same connection I am using here. Thumbnail you can see on the screen. So in this way we connected the I2C display with the Arduino. Okay, then after that we have the buzzer. Buzzer having the 2 pins, you can see easily 2 pins here, positive and negative. So positive pin we will connect to the Arduino, negative pin we will connect to the common ground. Okay, so just place the buzzer here. It is very simple and easy connection. Just place the buzzer. First connect the ground pin from the buzzer. Ground pin from the buzzer we should connect it to common ground, that is here. Okay, below row, that is the second row, and the positive pin from the buzzer connected to the Arduino. So where we should connect that one, 8 number pin of Arduino. Okay, positive pin of the buzzer should be connected to 8 number pin of Arduino. Very easy and very simple connection of the buzzer. Only 2 pins that we should connect. Then after that we have the DC motor. You can purchase this DC motor. It is 5 volt DC motor from the Amazon. You can purchase this one. You can simply place the DC motor here. DC motor having 2 pins. there is no pin number available on the DC motor, you can connect the pin, any pin to 4 and 5th number pin of Arduino. So let's connect this pin of DC motor to 4 number pin of Arduino, and second pin from the DC motor should be connected to 5th number pin of Arduino. Very easy and very simple connection of DC motor. Okay, now last hardware is this RFID module. You should purchase this RFID module R307S, okay, from the Amazon. You can see number here R307S. This RFID module having 6 pins. We should use only 4 pins. You can see 1 number pin is here and 6 number pin is here. We should use 1 to 4 pin only. So first pin is VCC, that should be connected to 5 volt supply. Second pin is ground, that should be connected to common ground. Then yellow pin is nothing but our TX pin of this sensor, that should be connected to Arduino RX pin, that is the 6 number pin of Arduino. And then this pin, green pin, is nothing but the RX pin of this sensor, that should be connected to 7 number pin of Arduino, okay. So VCC, ground, TX and RXD. So this is the pin connection, pin information of this sensor. You should purchase this sensor only R307. So one by one we should connect. Okay, first connect the power supply. This is my power supply pin. This is red pin. Actually I have connected many pins in between. So let's assume that this is a power supply pin, that should be connected to common VCC pin of Arduino, that is here, okay. Then after that the ground pin from this sensor, that should be connected to common ground, that is already we have the second row. Okay, then after that we have the yellow color, that is the TXD pin, green. Next is our yellow color, okay. So next is our yellow color pin, and yellow color is nothing but the TXD pin. In your case the color will be different, but third pin is TXD. So TXD pin should be connected to 6 number pin of Arduino, okay. And then green pin, that is the RXD pin, should be connected to 7 number pin of Arduino. Okay, so in this way we completed our hardware connection. In front of you I have attached all the hardware. Now we will test this hardware and then I will show the programming part. Okay, now let's give the power supply to our system. So power supply we will use the Arduino pin only. One pin of Arduino, you can see this is the D type pin. So D type pin should be connected here to the Arduino directly, and another pin, you can see this USB pin, that should be connected to a laptop. But before giving the power supply, make sure you should check all the hardware once again to verify VCC and ground should not be shorted, okay. So for that one, just check the hardware whether all the hardware pins are connected correctly or not, at least power supply pin. So first check the 3.3 voltage, first check the ground pin from the RFID module. Here is ground, then this ground is connected to common ground of Arduino, yeah, it is corrected. Then after that VCC 3.3 voltage pin from here, RFID module, that should be connected to 3.3 voltage, yes, correct. Then after that this one LCD pin, ground pin is this one. This is the ground pin of LCD, it should be connected to common ground, yes, correct. VCC pin, this one should be connected to common VCC. VCC pin is this one, yes, correct. Then this one is positive, this one is negative, yes, correct. Then this one is positive, yes, and negative pin from the this one is corrected, okay. So I check the connection. Now just give the power supply from the laptop. You can see once you give power supply and everything is okay, you can see fingerprint sensor found, that means connection is okay. Now let's test quickly so that, okay, buzzer working, welcome Shubham, fingerprint sensor working perfectly, door open, door close, okay. So in front of you I have attached all the hardware and it is working. Program already uploaded, that's why I haven't explained the program upload step, but I will explain in the programming section. Now let's jump to the programming session. Okay, now let's start with the programming part. So very important point is you should download this folder, RFID plus fingerprint security system folder from my website link. So website link given in the description, just download that one. It will be in the zip file. You have to unzip that one into the laptop, not in mobile, into the laptop. Most of the students do this in mobile and they start sending a message on the WhatsApp. The program is not working. Try to understand this program is for the laptop, not for the mobile. So open in the laptop. So once you unzip that one, you will get this file. Okay, this Arduino file. Open that file. How to open? Just double click on this file, or you can open the Arduino software from here. Okay, so once you open the Arduino software, just go to the file, go to the open, then after that go to that project and just open that file, click on open button. So it will open the file like this. Then after that there are some library you should install. So which are those library? Those library are this one, fingerprint sensor library, liquid crystal library, and MFRC522, which is used for the RFID module. So how to install that library, that I will tell you. Just go to before that one, just check whether internet connection is available to your laptop or not. So just check the internet connection available to laptop or not. Once the internet connection available, just go to the sketch, go to the include library, just click on this manage library. Okay, so once you click on this manage library, just type here liquid or liquid crystal.h. then after that you will find this library, Adafruit liquid crystal. You can select the version like this. You can see this library you will find liquid crystal. This library you should select. You can see I have installed this library with version 1.7. just click on this install button like this. Here you will find the install button, select the version and install this library liquid crystal.h. okay, then after that next is MFRC. so type here same. Okay, then after that you can type MFRC522 and you should install this library MFRC522 SPI2C UART and sync. You can see 1.5.1 revision, or you can use the latest one. Just click on install button. Then after that we have installed the liquid crystal, then this one. Then we have to use the fingerprint sensor library. We have to install that library. Just type here fingerprint. Okay, once you type the fingerprint, you can see this library will pop up and you have to install this library. Just click on install button and like this you can click on this install button from here and this library get installed. I have just by mistake I have updated library. There is no issue, you can update library also. If there is latest version, you can install the library, update the library. Adafruit fingerprint sensor library, you have to install that one. So wait, now it is getting updated. So after updated I will tell you the programming part. Okay, so once you install all the library, just go to the file. First we have to enroll our finger into fingerprint sensor. So just go to the file. In the example you will find the fingerprint sensor library. Here you can say fingerprint and then enroll. Click on this enroll button. Then after that just connect the Arduino to laptop, and before that here you can see library serial number. My serial you should use 6 and 7 because we have connected our fingerprint sensor to 6 and 7. So that's why 6 and 7 just update here and just connect the Arduino to laptop. And then after that just go to the tools, select the board, select the COM port and just upload this code. Okay, once you done the upload button, you can see here here serial combination baud rate use 9600. So just go to the serial monitor, select here baud rate 9600. You can see this pop-up window will open and it is asking for the ID, for which ID you have to enroll the finger. Make sure that you should not use this ID. I will tell you the ID number. 2 number you should not use, that I will explain later why not use this number. Then 9 number you should not use. Okay, 2 number, 9 number and the 2 number, 9 number you should not use while enrolling the finger. So just give the number except 2 number and 9 number. So just let's say assume that we should give 10 number here for the ID and then press enter. So after that it is asking for the valid finger. So just place whatever finger you have to enroll, just place that finger on the fingerprint sensor. Okay, again image converted, remove finger, place finger again, image taken. You can see ID store 10 number. Okay, successfully I enroll my this finger, okay, into fingerprint sensor. So in this way you have to enroll the finger. Now if you want to delete the finger, again there is a same into example. In the fingerprint there is a delete, okay, and just change the number here 2 to 3 to 6 to 7, because we are using 6 to 7. And if you want to delete the database, just upload this code. Before that one you can close any serial program is open here or not. Just check whether it is open or not. Just close that one. Once you close this, upload this button. So if you want to delete the database, you can use this code. If you want to enroll the database, you can use the enroll code. Okay, once it upload, just go to the serial terminal, select the baud rate 9600, delete the finger, just type the ID 10 number we have already enrolled. So just enter the 10 number. You can see deleted. Now this finger database deleted from my fingerprint sensor. If you want to again enroll, just open the enroll button, just open the enroll code, upload the code and enroll the finger. Okay, so in this way you can enroll the finger, you can delete the finger database. Now next part is we have to check our main code. So this is our main code. I will explain the importance of each and every line from the main code. Okay, first line is whatever the library we have to use, we should include that library here, just like fingerprint sensor, then serial, then SPI, then MFRC, then liquid crystal, then my serial, that is fingerprint sensor used for the 6 and 7 number, that's why it is declared here 6 and 7. Then after that it is created the object for that fingerprint sensor. Then DC motor pin we connected to 4 number and 5th number, that's why it define here. Then buzzer we connected to 8 number, that's why we define here. Then our SS pin, then RST pin, that we define here. Then LCD we are using that one, that LCD define here. Then max number we should enroll the max number 3. You can increase this count as a 10, 20, there is no issue. Okay, then there is a database for the person. You can see RFID module number with the name, RFID module number with the person name. How to identify that name, that I will tell you later. Then after that void setup. So void setup we should give our buzzer to the output, DC motor to the output. As output pin we are using, that's why we define here all this pin. Initialize the LCD, then initialize the backlight, define the pins, then define the baud rate, then check the fingerprint sensor. If fingerprint sensor found, then we have to display from this message. If fingerprint sensor not found, then we have to display this message on the LCD by using this line. Then after that we have to turn off the DC motor by using this line, turn off the buzzer by using this line, then display the RFID fingerprint security system name on the LCD by using this line, then some variable, then please scan your RFID card. This is the main loop that our main project will started. So scan your RFID card, that is displayed by using this LCD line. Then here after you scan the card, then it will scan this card by using this line, and then after here it is check whether that person, find the person. Okay, so it will call this function, it will go here, and here it will check whatever the number, RFID number coming from the RFID module, it is available already in the database or not. This is our database. It will check from this function whether it is available or not. If it's available, then return the person name by using this database. So it will return the person name. If the database ID is not available, then it will return the unauthorized signal. Okay, unauthorized value it will return here. So here it will check here whether person name is authorized or unauthorized. If it's not authorized, then it will come here at the bottom, and on the LCD it will display unauthorized person, invalid card, buzzer will turn on 3 times. Okay, by using this line. If it's authorized person, then it will come here and it will print, it will buzzer will turn on 1 time, then welcome person name display on the LCD, place the finger, then after that it will display on the LCD, place the finger, then get ID. Once you place the finger, then it will check whether ID is 9, that means 9 ID means invalid finger. So it is working principle of the RFID model, fingerprint sensor like that. When there is a invalid ID, invalid finger, then it will return the 9 number. So that's why I told you, do not enroll with the 9 number, do not enroll with the 2 number. So invalid person, it will give the 9 number, then it will okay, so for invalid user it will print the 9 number, then after that it will print on the LCD invalid finger access, buzzer will turn on 3 times. If the finger is not scanned, then it will give the 2 number, that's why no finger detected display on the LCD. Then if the finger is detected, then value will greater than 0, buzzer will turn on one time. Then on the LCD it will show welcome, door open, and by using this 6 line it will open the door. You can see DC motor open close clockwise, then anti-clockwise, then stop by using this 6 line. If you want to increase the delay, you can increase by using this delay method in between if you want to increase the DC motor angle. Okay, so I hope you understand the complete idea. Below that one, it is the input library program only, that is not written by me. Whatever the program written by me, it is already explained here. So I hope you understand the programming part of this project. Now how to update this database, that is very important. Okay, so first connect the Arduino to your laptop, then upload the code, this code to the Arduino. Okay, once you upload the code, just go to the serial terminal, and once you open the serial terminal, you will get this message, found fingerprint sensor. Then after that you can scan your card. Okay, once you scan card, you can see you will get this access denied message definitely, because this card number is not present in the database. So copy this number, just update the code. Okay, just update the code here. Then after that, if you want to add the another person, you can increase the count here to the 10, and you can copy this line and press enter, paste. Again you can open the serial terminal, you can use the another RFID card. You can close the serial terminal, you can open the serial terminal. Okay, now scan the card. Okay, again access denied because this number is not present in the database. Copy this number and paste here. You should have the double colon in between that number. You can change the name, Vinay. So in this way you can update the database. Again you can upload the code and you can use the code. In this way you can update the database as per your requirement. So I hope you understand the complete programming part, hardware connection, how to run the project, that I already told you. If you like my content, please click on like button. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thanks for watching this video.